In this video, it will be taught how to add keys. So in HeatQuiz, there are two types of keys. You have the numeric key and the variable key. So we'll take this task as an example. Your sigma 1, 2, and 3 are the numeric keys, and once pressing them, the key will be selected directly. Take AI as an example. When choosing this one, multiple options will appear, which makes it a variable key. So the advantage of using a variable key is that this way keywords in text remain structured, and now knowing the differences between these two types of keys, it will be explained how to add them. We will add the following two keys, with k being our numeric key and lambda or variable key. To add a key, we have to press the tab keyboard and then press add key. First, we will add the numeric key. In the section code, the name of the key has to be filled in. In the section latex code, the parameter that has to be displayed should be filled in. After that, we should select the list where the key belongs to. So for this case, we'll choose the default list. Once done, we will press add to save the key. And now we will add the variable key. So we have to add a new key again. First, we should select the variable option. Just as for the numeric key, the sections code, latex code, and key list are the same. We can simply fill these in again. When it comes to variable keys, adding the variable properly is the critical part of creating the key. In the latex code, we wrote lambda j, so in our case, j is the variable. So we have to press add variable and fill in that j is our variable. Important for choosing a variable is that the letter cannot be in our latex code already. Since the code that we use is lambda j, the letters L, A, M, B, D, and A cannot be used as a variable. Usually the letter I is a commonly used letter for indicating the variable, but care should be taken when choosing this letter because this is often used in regular words as well. Since we would like to have 4 variables, we should press the plus button 4 times in order to generate 4 options. So here we can fill in the different options for the variable, and when doing so, the different options will be generated. Now the required keys are generated. We should select them all in order to make sure that all the 4 possibilities will be added to the variable key. So once done, we can press add to save the variable key. And this is basically how you add a numeric and a variable key. I would like to thank you for your attention and see you next time.